multiply the quantity 3b plus 5 times the quantity 2b minus 1. This is not any kind of a special product, so we need to just multiply. In this case, because it's a binomial times a binomial, we can use FOIL. So, for FOIL, we multiply the first two terms of the binomials together, 3b times 2b. Then we multiply the outer terms of each, so 3b times negative 1. Then we multiply the inner terms, 5 times 2b. And finally, the last two terms, 5 times negative 1. Simplifying. For this product, we multiply 3 times 2, which is 6, b times b, which is b squared. Here we're multiplying 3 times negative 1 for negative 3, and then b. Here we have 5 times 2, which is positive 10, b, and then 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Notice that we must combine the middle two terms because they are like terms, so we have 6b squared plus 7b minus 5.